Good evening, students. Today, I'd like to discuss biology, botany, one mark question answers in the sample question paper 1. Welcome to the class. Question number 1. First cell of male gametophyte in angiosperm is option A, primary endosperm, option B, microspore, option C, megaspore, and option D, nucleus. Gametophyte, gamete producing plant body is said to be gametophyte. Angion means a case or a box. Sperma means seed. Protected seeded plants are known as the angiosperms. The first cell of male gametophyte in angiosperm is microspore, and it is the end product of microsporogenesis. So, first question answer is, the correct answer is option B, microspore, the first cell of the gametophytic generation, and it is the end product of microsporogenesis. Question number 2. If a homozygous red-flowered plant is crossed with a homozygous white-flowered plant, then the offspring will be, offspring here represent the first filial generation will be option A, all red-flowered, option B, half white-flowered, option C, half red-flowered, option D, all white-flower. This question actually represents the incomplete dominance or blending inheritance in the second lesson, classical genetics. If the F1 hybrid produces a phenotype which is a mixed expression of both the parents, we are calling it as incomplete dominance or blending inheritance in Mirabilis jalapa by Concon's. So the correct answer for this question is half red flowered, half red colored flower. Actually, in our book, it's given as a pink colored flower. So the correct answer for this question is option C, the incomplete dominance. The phenotypic and genotypic ratio of this cross is 1:2:1. You should remember for your examination. Question number 3, which is frequently used as reporter of expression. This question from biotechnology, GMF, circular protein, GFP, and PLA. These are the options given for you. Here, the correct answer is GFP. GFP represent the green fluorescent protein. So the correct answer for this question is GFP, green fluorescent protein. And this question from biotechnology. Question number 4. Virus-free plants are developed from cell suspension culture, organ culture, meristem culture, and the protoplast culture. Virus-free germplasm generally produced from the meristematic cells, especially from the apical meristem. So the correct answer is meristem culture, and in banana, virus-free bananas germplasm produced through the meristem culture from the apical meristem. Meristos means divisible. The cells are always in a state of cell division or continuous state of division, and these cells are rapidly proliferating. So viruses are enabled to survive in the meristem. So the correct answer for this question is meristem culture, option C. Next question, match. Match the following. Option 1, stenopathic, salinity, stenoceous, depth of water or habitat, stenohaline, food, stenophagic, habitat selection. 4 options are given. Then stenopathic means the depth of water or habitat. Stenoceous means option 1, stenoceous, yes, see here. Option 2 is stenoceous. First is stenopathic. Option 2, depth of water or habitat. Second is stenoceous. It represents the habitat selection. Stenohaline represent the salinity, and stenophagic represent the food. So the correct answer for the question is option D, I hope so. 1 is 2, stenopathic, depth of water, stenoceous, habitat selection, stenohaline, salinity, and stenophagic, food. So the option D is the correct answer for this question. Actually, this question from the 6th lesson, ecology. Next question. The ozone layer of troposphere is called. Ozone, the main function of ozone is to filter the ultraviolet rays and protect us from skin cancers. Squamous cell carcinoma, basal cell carcinoma, malignant melanoma. These are cancers are due to ozone layer depletion and the effect of ultraviolet rays. The ozone layer of troposphere is called option A, middle ozone, option B, ozone shield, option C, bad ozone, and option D, good ozone. The correct answer for this question is bad ozone is the correct answer. In your book, the page number 157, this concept is given. Next question, name the plant which is pest resistant and saline tolerant. Sonalica, triticale, Raphanobrassica, and Atomita turice. Actually, this question from the page number 193 of your book. Atomita turice shows a pest resistant and saline tolerant. So the correct option is Atomita 2, option D. The last question for you. Some of the major species cultivated in agroforestry for commercial use in the paddy field or in the agricultural field for commercial use. Option A, Erythrina indica and Albizia lebec. Option B, Malay Vembu and Kadambu. Option C, Acacia and Azadirachta indica. And option D, Sesbania and Acacia. The correct answer for the question is option B, Malay Vembu and Kadambu. The correct answer. Thank you very much, students. Tomorrow I will discuss the 2 more question answers from sample paper 1 and 2. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Have a nice evening.